What is mantra meditation?
Mantra meditation is a practice where you silently or audibly repeat a specific word, phrase, or sound. This repetition centers your mind, making it easier to let go of distracting thoughts. The mantra can be a traditional word like Om, or any phrase that resonates with you personally. This simple technique has been used for centuries to promote focus and clarity.
How mantras improve focus?
Repeating a mantra engages your attention and helps break the cycle of wandering thoughts. By continuously coming back to the mantra, your mind learns to filter out distractions and stay present. Over time, this practice strengthens your ability to concentrate, making it easier to focus not just during meditation, but in everyday tasks as well.
Getting started with mantra meditation.
Begin by finding a quiet, comfortable place to sit. Choose a mantra that feels meaningful to you, or simply use a calming sound. Close your eyes and breathe deeply. Start to repeat your mantra at a natural pace, either out loud or in your mind. If your attention drifts, gently return to your mantra, without judgment.
Tips for deepening immersion.
Consistency is key. Try practicing at the same time each day, even if only for a few minutes. If you notice your mind wandering, patiently draw it back to your mantra. Some people find it helpful to match the repetition to their breathing. Over time, you'll notice fewer distractions and a greater sense of calm focus.
Benefits beyond meditation.
Regular mantra meditation can improve your concentration, reduce stress, and promote emotional balance. Many people find they can focus better at work, study more efficiently, and handle daily challenges with greater ease. The mental discipline developed through this practice can enrich many areas of your life, making focus feel natural and immersive.